In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play two videos at the same time on Canva. It's a fantastic way to enhance your presentations by showing multiple angles or perspectives, and it's easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Canva platform and click on the video option. This is your starting point where you can integrate different media into your project, creating a dynamic and engaging visual experience. Once you've clicked on video, the next step is to select the video landscape option. This will provide you with a clean slate and the appropriate settings to start layering your videos, ensuring you have ample space and the right orientation for video playback. With your video landscape prepared, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Elements tab. This section is pivotal as it contains all the additional features and tools that Canva offers to enhance your project, from grids to frames that lay the foundation for your design. In the Elements tab, look for the Frames section. Frames serve as placeholders where you can drop your content, allowing you to seamlessly insert images or videos. Scroll through the available options and select a frame design that has 3 spaces. This specific selection is crucial because it allows you to place and play not just one, but multiple videos simultaneously, a feature that's going to be central for our objective today. Next, head over to the Upload section. This is where you bring your own media into the project. Click on Uploads and then choose Videos. Here is where you'll be able to upload the videos that you want to play at the same time. Simply drag and drop your selected videos into the frame, aligning them in the layout design that best fits your needs. Once you've placed your videos into the frame, take a moment to adjust and scale them to ensure they fit perfectly within the spaces allocated by the frame. This is where you're going to ensure both videos are visible and play well together. The final step in this process is one of the most exciting. You now get to click the play button at the bottom of your Canva screen. This feature allows you to instantly preview how your videos appear and play together in real time, showing you the fruits of your hard work and creativity. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to play two videos at the same time on Canva. This technique is sure to impress in your next presentation or project. Feel free to experiment with different frames and layouts to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.